What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my glorious channel. It is December 1st. Oh my god, this year has been a whole roller coaster. I was gonna say trash, but like half of it has been trash and half of it has been really good. So we're gonna focus on the good. I have a DIY. This is my Christmas tree. I am over it. I've had the same tree for like 3 years at this point, and I just wanted to revamp it. So I went and bought this snow flock. I have these gorgeous decorations, and these are going to be another DIY. I bought this and I didn't know that it didn't have this like shaker spout. So I'm gonna use one of these things to flock it because it's gonna look like it's gonna work better if you can sprinkle it over the tree and not just like pour it on. That's what we're gonna do today. So I'm gonna take off the top part of the tree and take the lights off of it, and then take it outside and so here is the first layer. I did notice that even when I brought it in from outside, the flock really didn't fall off. I'm assuming it's working.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
All right, you guys, here is the final look. You can do this so many different ways and it will still look so good. So I ended up actually taking the top off at one point and like tilting the tree and shaking some on there just to make sure that I got most of the spots. I do see spots where I could go over, but honestly, I'm not mad at it. This looks so nice. Let's get back on this side so you can see the light. It looks so good. So now I'm going to let that dry probably for a few hours while I get some schoolwork done. So yeah, that's the tree DIY. I think it came out really good. I was a little nervous because I was like, how is this stuff supposed to just stick with water? How is that supposed to work? But it does. And I also didn't use all of the flock. There's still some left in there. I could go back over the tree like one more time, so I'll probably do that at a later time. But right now I do have schoolwork to do, so I'm gonna just go ahead and start my schoolwork. Also, you definitely want to make sure that you put something down on the floor when you're doing this if you're gonna do it inside, because it's like stuck to my foot also, so you just don't want that in your carpet. So I'm glad that I did do that. I need to go to Michael's and get some paint so I can color these clear glass bulbs. Okay, so it is later in the day. It's about 7:45. I have been doing schoolwork, working on a paper, and I did go to Michael's earlier to get the paint to do this craft. I got some fluid ready to pour acrylic white paint. I'm just going to take ornament out of the back on. So that is going to be what I'm doing for this DIY. So another thing that I found easy, helpful in this to save time is to pour the paint in and just give it a nice little shake. And this way you're not using as much paint in the balls and it won't take as long to dry on the inside. I don't know why that would matter, but it doesn't take as long as to dry on the inside. Okay. So here are both sets of ornaments. They look so good. I decided not to let them dry, like wait for, because I want to decorate the tree and I'm tired and I want to get this over with because I've been dealing with this for days. So let's get to decorating. So I don't know when my camera stopped recording. I don't know, but this is the tree. I'm not technically finished yet. I do want to put some more balls on there, bulbs on there. So then I have these and I just don't know if they go with the tree anymore. I don't know. I don't know. It's the stripes for me. I don't know. I don't know. So I'm gonna just wait on that. And the next thing I'm going to do is change the flowers in my ginger jar.
So let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. snow, let it snow.
Okay, so here is the final look of the tree, you guys. I have it plugged in up here because I have this base is plugged up down here, so I couldn't switch it, so I had to plug it up here. Don't mind that, I'm gonna figure that out. Anyway, this is the final look. It looks so good. I also have ribbon that I forgot to add, or didn't forget, but I just didn't feel like doing it tonight. I decided to add the champagne bulbs because I have these ones down here, and I don't know if I'm gonna add them to the tree or just leave them there. I don't know. I feel like they might be too heavy for the tree because this is a smaller tree. So, and then over here, this is my ginger jar. I have like 3 different types of flowers in here. I don't know. But it doesn't look terrible, but Michael's was just running out of flowers, so that's what I got. And then this runner, I don't know, this is like a makeshift runner. Remember I said it was missing something here, so I had that branch that I used for upstairs, and I just broke it off and added this, I'm gonna call it pampas grass. That's what I'm gonna call it. And this, I don't know, Noel, I just put that them three things together, those 3 things together. So there's that. And then I found these champagne colored cones at home as well. So here is the final look. Thanks for decorating with me. I look crazy, I'm tired, I have a paper to finish writing. But if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below, or follow me on Instagram because that's where I do all of my polls and stuff for videos. So follow me on Instagram and let me know if you want to see, if you'd be willing to see like a weekly type of a Vlogmas ordeal. I don't know, maybe, let me know. But thank you guys so much for decorating with me. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you love it, sub it. Comment down below what other videos you'd like to see, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.